Okay, so there is another example. So consider the set x1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and x2 is equal to a, b, c, d, e, f. So we write a function f from x1 to x2. So what is a function? It's a relation from x1 to x2, and every element in x1 has an image in x2, and that image is unique. Every element in x1 has a unique image in x2, right? So consider f is equal to set 1a, pair 2b, pair 3d, pair 4c. So so consider the element 1 in x1. So 1 has an image a, 2 has an image b, 3 has an image d, 4 has an image c. So every element in x1 has an image. Now 1 has how many images? 1 has only one image a. So there is no other pair starting with 1. So that is we mean by 1 has only one image a. So there is no other there is a 2b here, and there is no other pair starting with 2 other than 2b. So 2 has image, and 2 has only one image b, 3 has only one image d, 4 has only one image c. There is no other pair starting with the 4. That is we say that 4 has no other image, or 4 has unique image. So 4c. So 1a, 2b, 3d, 4c. So we write this function f in another way. So f from x1 to x2. So this is the meaning of the function from the set x1 to x2. So meaning of this notation, f double dot x1 and arrow mark x2 means f is a function from the set x1 to set x2. And we write 1a image of 1 is a. So we write f a single bracket 1 equal to a. So we read it as f of 1 equal to a, and 2b belongs to f. So we write f of 2 is equal to b. 3d belongs to f. We write f of 3d equal to f of 3 equal to d. 4c belongs to f. We write f of 4 equal to c, right? So we read it as f of 1. F bracket 1 equal to a means f of 1 equal to a, f of 2 equal to b, f of 3 equal to d, f of 4 equal to c. So it's a another kind of notation of a function. So there is another kind of notation of this same function. So this is we can write this function as a diagram. So consider the two circles. In the first circle we write the elements in the set x1 1 2 3 4 like this, and in x2 we write elements in x2 is a, b, c, d, e, f. So what is image of 1? Image of 1 is right. So image of 1 is what? Image of 1 is a, image of 2 is b, image of 3 is d, image of 4 is c. So image of 1 is a, then there is an arrow mark starting from 1 and arrow going to a. So a1 going to a. So or we write f1 is a function from the set x1 x2. F of 1 is a, f of 2 is b, f of 3 is d, f of 4 is c. Okay. So this is another diagrammatic representation of the function. So there is there are f1, f2, f3, f4 are different functions from our same x1 to x2 is different in some cases. So this is a function f1, this is a function f2. So f3, f4 are another functions. So next we move on to some special kind of functions or type of functions. Mainly there are two types of functions we are discussing. One is one function, and second is on-to function. One function and on-to function. So I read the definition. A function f from x to y is defined to be 1 or as another name injective if the images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. What is the definition? The images of distinct elements of x under f are distinct. That is, for every x1 x2, if f of x1 and f of x2 are same, f of x1 lies in y, right? F of x2 also lies in y. So f of x1 equal to f of x2 implies x1 equal to x2. Otherwise f is called many one. So a function which is not 1 is called what? Many one. Okay. So what is actually definition says? 1 function means images of distinct elements of x. If x1 and x2 are two distinct elements, two different elements in x, then f of x1 and f of x2 are different, right? So that is simply we say that 1 function. If x1 and x2 are two different elements, then f of x1 and f of x2 are different. So that is what this 1 function. So just to go to the our previous slide. Previous slide. So if x1 and x2 are different, then f of x1 and f of x2 are different. So consider the function f2, right? So everyone see the image of f2. Now 1 and 2 are elements in capital X1. They are different elements. But f of 1 is what? B. F of 2 is what? The same B. 1 and 2 are different, but f of 1 and f of 2 are same. Which means what? This f2 is not 1 1. This f2 is not 1 1. 1 1 means if 1 and 2 are different, then f of 1 and f of 2 are different, right? So this f2 is not a 1 1 function. So what about f1? F1. Image of 1 is A, image of 2 is B, image of 3 is D, image of 4 is C. Okay. Otherwise, there is no element in x2 in which two arrows going to the same member, right? So then what about this f1? F1 is a 1 1 function. If x1 and x2 are different, small x1 and small x2 are different, then its corresponding images are also different. So that is 1 1 function. Okay. Next is onto function. F from x to y is said to be onto if every element in y is the image of some element of x under f. That is, for every y in y, there exists an element x in x such that f of x equal to y. Which means what? Every f is said to be onto if every element in y is image of some elements of x. Which means what? So consider the same f2, right? So if there is some member in x, member in x2 or in y in which there is no arrow going to that element, then that function is not onto, right? So here what? E and f are two members in which there is no arrow going to E and f. So which means what? This f is not onto. So what about f1? Here also E and f are two members in which there is no arrows going to E and f. So f1 is not onto. So what about f3? F3 is onto A, B, C. So consider A, there are some arrows going to A. Here more than one, no problem. B, there is an arrow going to B. Consider C, there is an arrow going to C. So there is no element remaining in x3 in which the arrow going to that element. So f3 is onto. Here also there is no element remaining. So f4 is onto.